Hi, this is Brian Wallace from Coin Laundry Association. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of our Excellence in Laundry conference coming up starting on the evening of May 9th and continuing through May 10th and 11th at the amazing Rancho Bernardo Inn in San Diego. It's going to be an incredible event. This is our flagship networking opportunity, bringing together the best of the best, and that includes you, with a real focus on multi-store owners, being able to get together in this more intimate setting and share best practices, build those relationships and those networks that'll help you further build your business. We're going to have an incredible lineup of keynote speakers. These are experts in all kinds of different fields that'll challenge us as entrepreneurs and give our brains a recharge and get us fired up to tackle the rest of the year. We'll be featuring tabletop exhibits from all of our major manufacturer members. So sort of in contrast to the clean shell, you'll have a little bit more of a one-on-one opportunity with the vendors that you're working with or the vendors that you're looking to learn some more about. A tremendous opportunity there. We're going to have a lot of fun while we're at it, food and beverage. This is a beautiful venue, as I said. If you're a golfer, if you're into wine, if you like to visit the spa, this is really going to be the right event for you. We're also featuring our first day-long Women Invented Laundry conference. So that'll be the day before Excellence, and it'll be really drilled in on our new and rapidly growing Women Invented Laundry initiative. So all the details you'll be able to find on coinlaundry.org. I just want to get in front of you and let you know we need you there. You're going to get a lot out of it. May 9th through the 11th this year in May at Rancho Bernardo in San Diego. We'll see you at Excellence.